Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are from the Kukarnag area, falling in the remote area of Gauran, Mathinu. Here the Mufti Abdur Rahman, he has arranged all the food items for the people of this very area, and the food items are like this: flour, 2 bags, each 10 kg, 20 kg total, and soap for washing clothes, 2 pieces, and soap for washing hands and body, 4 pieces. Likewise, sugar 1 kg, likewise salt 1 kg, likewise pulses 1 kg, and turmeric powder 1 kg, half kg, sorry, and oil bottle of 1 kg. All these food items has been distributed among the families, comprising 140 families. This all has been arranged by Mufti Abdur Rahman here, and the amount has been donated by the Haji Muhammad Yusuf Saab, near about 1500 pounds, and that amount is Indian currency 1,40,925 approximately. And this has been donated by Haji Said Bhai Chauhan, dear family and friends, and same amount has been utilized smartly by Mufti Saab and their team among the people of this very area, falling from poor families, and they are facing here hardships to earn and hardships to make the daily expenses. Likewise, I would like to request my brother, please come with me and see all how the food items has been arranged and how the food items has been kept in order. And the volunteer team of Mufti Saab, they are serving here and they are arranging the people. They are going to distribute all these food items among the people. And Bilal Saab is, I am requesting Bilal Saab, please capture all the things, all the food items which has been arranged for 140 families for this very area and falling different areas of this very remote area where there is no source of income for the people, because all the people are under lockdown. And keeping in view the lockdown and keeping in view the COVID-19 in view, the people here are suffering because they are not having any source. They cannot move outside the home, and we have all arranged in the cantonment premises area of Mufti Saab's Madrasa, and all these things have been arranged here. And this is the queue here, and this is the one more queue here for the people, the food items which has been arranged by Mufti Saab, their team. They are in the work, they are in the TOSIC, and they are smartly arranging all these things and trying to utilize every amount, every penny of this very contribution for the people of this very area. And this area will not forget the donation of Haji Muhammad Yusuf and Haji Said Bhai Chauhan, and Haji Said Bhai Chauhan inshallah will remember this very area, particularly this Kashmir area, particularly this Kukarnag area, Gauran area, falling in district Anantnag. It almost is out of 55 kilometers from the district headquarters. And here is no source of income presently because keeping in view the lockdown of this very area. And this is the Mufti Saab, how he is going to serve the people, how he is going to work for the people of this very area very smartly, very efficiently. Their team is working with him, and I hope Mufti Saab will say a few words and will pray for Haji Saab, will pray for the Said Bhai Chauhan. Dua.
الحمدللہ رب العالمین والعاقبۃ للمتقین والصلاۃ والسلام علی رسول محمد وآلہ وصحبہ اجمعین. یا الہ العالمین ہمارے گناہ معاف فرما، یا اللہ کرم کا، عافیت کا، درد کا معاملہ فرما. یا اللہ ظالم کے ظلم سے بچا، یا اللہ کافر کی کفر سے بچا. یا اللہ جو اس وقت وبائی بیماری چل رہی ہے، یا اللہ اس علاقے کی حفاظت فرما. یا اللہ پوری امت کی حفاظت فرما. یا اللہ امت مسلمہ کی حفاظت فرما. یا الہ العالمین ہمارے تمام صغائر کبائر کو معاف فرما. یا الہ العالمین خصوصاً ہمارے حاجی یوسف صاحب، یا الہ العالمین جن کے ذریعے سے، اور خصوصاً ہمارے سعید بھائی چوہان اینڈ فیملی اینڈ فرینڈ کی طرف سے اللہ تبارک تعالیٰ ان کے عمر میں ترقی عطا فرمائے، ان کے مال کی، جان کی، ایمان کی اللہ تعالیٰ حفاظت فرمائے. سبحان ربک رب العزت عما یصفون وسلام علی المرسلین والحمد للہ.
ویڈیو لے جاؤ.